Deandra's house, and I'm so excited to be here to cook your favorite dish.
I know, this is my favorite dish, and I've always wanted to know how to make it.
Yay! We're gonna make drunken noodles or Pad Kee Mao. So the most important thing about this dish, I believe, other than the basil, is like these noodles.
Forget Italian pasta. This is the ultimate comfort food. There's something about that gummy texture, and then you put the basil and the vegetables and the proteins in there, and it just makes me feel happy.
Smell it.
I can tell you something, if I had a bad day, I'm driving over to Asian Men, and I'm getting drunken noodles.
Oh.
Because it makes me just feel happy. It's a happy dish for me.
The basil has these special, I don't know what it is, but it calms down your nerves. It makes you very, like what you said, it calms you down, it makes you happy, because you're just like, you take this bite and you just go,
I need some happy sauce.
happy basil.
So why do I have this affinity for this wide noodle?
Wide noodle.
Because there's a lot of rice noodles that are not wide like that, but there's something about that texture. I just want to, I can't stop eating. The problem with this, the reason I don't eat it more often is because I can't stop eating it.
I feel like it reminds people of like that chicken and dumpling texture.
There it is. Thank you. Yes, there it is.
It has that thickness, it has that fresh noodle, because it is a fresh rice noodle, but the texture of it is like...
It's exactly like my mom's chicken and dumplings.
Oh.
And my grandma's. I grew up on those.
You're right, girlfriend. Okay, so this comes in a pack, like we saw earlier, and what we did was we kind of put it in the microwave for like about a minute, and then just to warm it up, and it makes it not crumble so much.
Okay, so tell me, where do I buy these noodles?
These you got at the Asian supermarket.
I know the Asian supermarket, but my question really to you is, which is your favorite?
Oh, my favorite Asian.
There's so many.
Yes.
We're very lucky.
Yes, we are. So I love one that's called Good Fortune, and H Mart.
That's where I go. That's
you
where
go to H Mart. Okay. Sometimes H Mart has these ones, sometimes not, because they're more Korean.
Okay.
If you want to go more towards like the Vietnamese, Thai, Laos grocery stores like Hep Thai, all the way in Garland, that's where you will be able to find all the herbs, fresh noodles. They're like the big guys back there.
Okay.
Yeah. So as you can see, I'm opening them up. They will break a little bit. They are fresh. They're even more fragile than like pasta. I like to separate them just so you know, like, okay, they are gonna separate. But then what we're gonna do is kind of cut them in like 2-3 inch size. And then this is how we're gonna fit it in the wok.
For this dish, then, it's going to be a wider noodle.
It's called a wide noodle. Sen yai.
Okay.
Sen means string, technically. Yai means big. So we have like sen yai, sen lek, sen mi. Sen yai is big. Sen lek is like a little bit smaller. Sen mi is like the tiny one.
So am I cutting this in half if it's long, or just leave it long?
I leave it long because when we start stir frying it, it is going to start to like fall apart a little bit even more. The heat really cooks it down. So I kind of keep them long. They're fun. This dish is super easy compared to our first dish that we made. We cut everything, have our mise en place ready to go. All we do, we're gonna stir fry, 5 minutes, done. It's one of those dishes that you have everything ready to go. Fast, simple dish.
And we're gonna use the shrimp today.
We're gonna use some shrimp.
You do any protein,
Any
right?
protein you like.
Okay.
Yes, it's gonna be beautiful. These are gonna turn the beautiful pink. You know what this dish looks like. So this is the lettuce that goes on the bottom. How or why did you get into acting?
I started literally as a child. I was a singer. I started as a singer.
No. Oh.
Yeah, I started taking singing lessons and then dancing lessons and then acting. My mother was in all the beauty pageants. That was not my cup of tea. I'm not a beauty pageant girl.
Did she take you around and try that first?
She tried it. And
right?
It
I
just wasn't
knew
my
it. She
thing.
had to.
And I was really shy, so the acting, a lot of times actors, when they are shy, when you act, you can kind of become someone else and the shyness goes away. So in exploring another character, another person's inner thoughts, so to speak, becoming that person was fascinating to me. It lets me play. It's just about play, and it also kind of teaches you a lot about your own personality.
I bet.
So,
Just we're not gonna chop. Literally, I was
This is
like,
the
tell
basil,
me the story, but
the
we're
Thai
just
basil.
gonna de-leaf them.
Okay.
I quartered the tomatoes. I sliced the bell peppers and cut them in half. That's literally, we're gonna have some eggs in this dish.
So it's not real fancy with the cutting. That's good. I can do this
we're
too.
stir frying.
I can do this too.
Yes. We're
Okay.
done.
Are we good?
I'm ready to cook.
Do it? Okay.
We have everything beautiful. We have more basil than we could ever think to
Do you
eat
ever
at
use
this point.
fresh curry leaves at all in your cooking?
Not really. That's more of an Indian thing.
It is? Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. We are so ready to put this fire to the
favorite.
test.
My drunken noodles.
Oh, you're gonna be in heaven today. we're having a little bit
It's no
fun
wonder
with
that I
that.
like this dish because, you know, drunk Deandra was a thing on Housewives.
Are you really?
Yes, because on my 50th birthday, we went
Uh-huh.
on a trip to Mexico, and those girls gave me a little too much tequila a day.
Oh,
or
and-
more than one day, actually. It was so funny.
So the Drunken Noodle name,
Okay.
I believe, comes from the first probably comment that you had mentioned, the basil. I think it's like a hangover dish, actually.
Really?
Yeah,
Oh,
so
okay.
if you were in Thailand, walking on the streets, had a little bit too much, and you're like, you know what, I want something to eat.
This is going to absorb the alcohol.
Probably.
That's why.
You're right.
Yeah, because it's expanding, it's going to absorb the alcohol in your stomach.
I love that. I'm putting you in charge of the, what you call that thing?
I'm doing something?
Yeah, what-
Besides running my mouth.
Okay. Stir away.
So,
Love it.
Eggs first.
Eggs first. Then garlic and jalapeno. And I know you like spice, so we're all
love the
good.
spice. Okay.
If you find Thai chilies, you can use those as well, but they're very, 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 very spicy. And the eggs really absorbed a lot of oil. I'm gonna add a
So the
little bit
Thai
more.
chilies, the tiny little ones.
Tiny
I
little
use those all the
ones.
time. I have them in my refrigerator.
Of course, you have everything in your refrigerator. We got a lot of shrimp here. Here.
That garlic,
Garlic.
with the jalapeno.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Love.
My husband's gonna be so excited.
So now it reminds me, like, I feel like I'm on the Deandra cooking show. Like, I also have been stalking your YouTube
my
channel.
takeover.
Yes, Deandra's takeover. What inspired you to make these cooking shows? I know you love food, you love to act. Like, is that like a reason, or
So
tell me?
the funny thing is, when on Housewives, every season they would do like a cooking segment of my husband and I doing a competition, or I would have the girls over and I would cook, or something
Love
of that nature. So basically, whenever we went on hiatus, I thought, well, why don't I just bring what I love to the YouTube channel that I already have and I wasn't really using.
Yes.
So I said, well, let's start cooking on YouTube because that's what I love to do.
I love.
Okay, I'm letting you take over.
I am? Okay, then can you grab me some black soy? That is
Black
the soy that
soy.
is going to make this dish.
This is a secret sauce.
This is the secret sauce going right
much?
in. I mean, you probably had this dish enough times. Okay, let me stir for a little bit.
Okay. So that's why I started cooking, because I thought it was a way
Oops,
for
sorry.
me to connect with my fan base on something I love to do.
yes, yes,
and
yes.
there's no fighting.
There is no fighting. It's only love that
Only
goes
love
into the
and cooking
food.
and making people happy and making myself happy.
Let's put a little bit more sauce in. Beautiful. Yeah. Is it about the right color now? Like that garlic and the jalapeno is totally going to my eyes now,
Yeah.
which is awesome.
Smell is fantastic.
You know. Is that not too
Very
simple?
easy, very simple.
Yes.
You can do this at home.
You can definitely do this at
I
home.
can do it, you can do it.
All we're doing at this point is waiting for that noodle to absorb all
Okay.
the sauce that's in there.
Okay.
The tomatoes will release some juice, so you'll get some extra sweetness coming from the tomatoes. The bell pepper also adds a little bit of sweetness to it. And we have not even put in the basil.
So good.
So good. We're ready.
We didn't put in the basil yet?
We have not. Isn't that crazy?
Oh,
so
wow.
wait until this next level goes in. I'm turning the fire off.
Okay.
I'm using that residual heat to toss the basil in. So now the basil is in. Let's taste again.
Okay. That's the dish.
Next level.
That's the ticket. That's what I order most of your restaurant.
Right. Okay, ready to serve up this beautiful dish
Put it
over
on
the
the
lettuce.
lettuce,
So to me, the lettuce adds freshness. It also helps like that sauce kind of gets absorbed and you like end it with just this beautiful yummy bite. Or you just probably stir it all together.
Okay.
I'm so ready.
Can we taste now?
Let's do.
I need a shrimp. I haven't had a shrimp yet.
Me too. Cheers to the shrimp.
Cheers. Okay. I'm wearing dish one, now I'm gonna be wearing dish two.
You're gonna be wearing this too. It's that good.
What I love about this dish is you just showed me how to make something in less than 10 minutes, basically. As long as you have, I mean, and even the chopping is really simple.
Well, thank you again
Thank
so
you.
much. Cheers.
Cheers.
Woo!
Thanks for sharing your day with me.
Absolutely. Okay. I would like everyone to know where to find you.
I'm on YouTube and Instagram and TikTok and Twitter as Deandra Simmons, and that's where Simply Simmons is. That's gonna be on my YouTube channel.
Love that. Okay, we're gonna learn one more word.
Okay.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Of course. ขอบคุณค่ะ
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 means thank you.
ขอบคุณ
ข
ค่ะ
อบคุณค่ะ
ค่ะ
Beautiful.
The Thai takeover experience today was a blast. I had a wonderful time with Nikki. I learned one dish that I love and wanted to learn, and now I can make it in my own home. And I learned another dish that was her favorite dish that she wanted to share with me, and now it's also another of my favorite dishes. We just had a good time together. I felt comfortable. She made me feel right at home. She came in my kitchen, and even though she took it over, she made it feel very comfortable for me, and we just had a great time together. I knew a little bit about Asian cooking in general. I knew a little bit about Vietnamese cooking, not so much about Thai. I did have one visit to Thailand, but I didn't get to learn anything about the cuisine or eat really any good food, which is crazy. I think that Thai food is not only flavorful, it has spice, it has very great depth to it, and it's something that I think is suitable for everybody just because you can make it different depending on what the person's personal preferences. I would definitely recommend the Thai takeover experience for someone else, because if Chef Nikki chooses to come to your kitchen and cook with you, you'll not only have a wonderful day and have a fun time, but you'll also have some delicious food at the end of the day, and you're gonna learn a lot.